glad you are. Hey.
Team Salish.
Team Jordan.
Team Salish.
Team Jordan.
Team Salish.
I need a Team Jordan.
Team
There you go.
Guys, Jordan just gave me one of them, and I just screamed Team Salish, and he still gave me one. And I was like, he still give me one?
With it. Keep doing it.
Thank you.
You know, someday you'll be as tall as Salish and you'll be on top of the world.
Thank you so much.
care.
Thank you. Let's go check it out. Come on.
Oh my god, guys. Now you get to meet Salish. Now I get to meet Salish. Like, if Salish wants my top. In the first when I met her, like right now, like a few hours ago, she was like, "You're so cute." And I think she liked my top, so yeah, so I'm wearing this top. So I think she likes it. I don't know. And that's why she called me cute.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, do you want to make
Can you say? Oh, thank you. Can you say something cute to my channel?
Yeah. Hi guys. Go subscribe. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get a picture?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So just saw English, and I'm so starving. So guess what we got? We got to sHotChicken baby. For the first time. I've been begging for them. I've been begging my mom and my dad to get this for so long. So I was like, please let me in today. Please let me in today. And they said, yes. We can get you. I was like, it's time to go on sHotChicken baby. Babe. So that's why we're here. So this is gonna be ASMR. I got some. Oh god, the food is ready. I bought something to duck shop, and you guys can hear everything I say.
Yeah.
And you can't even hear my parents, only me. Sometimes they're noisy, so so only my belly is starving. Okay guys, so it's time to eat. We got food. Oh my god. There's a lot of sauces. Mommy, you should have the bracelet I made you. And I made her a bracelet. Wow. Oh god, there's a lot.
That's so beautiful. I should put even my name. That's
Her name is Laura, so she loves me. I spent like 1 hour doing that.
Oh my god.
And guys, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. And there's this one. Let's try it with these. Okay guys, we just went back from the grove. Okay, so now it's time to unbox. I'm so tired. It's time to box, but I couldn't do this, but I actually got those nail stickers and my mom was at the shower. Ouch! And I also got this stickers. And yeah, I'm gonna wear them maybe tomorrow. So let's get like Guigui slime open. I'm so excited. So, I'm gonna put it over here. And here's it. I got the purple one and I got my yellow one in the car. So, okay, how do I open this thing? Okay, got it. Hands up, every yellow, hands up, every yellow. Fall down to the floor, up the yellow. The Guigui, so I got the Guigui collector guide. This is it. Oh! Everyone, guys, scan for the inspiration. If you want to scan it, just scan it. And ooh. So I'm gonna open this. A few minutes. Okay, so what we got is we got the charms and the slime. Oh my god, I'm so scared. 3, 2, 1. It's the blue! Mommy, you're wrong. I got the blue one. You're wrong. I got the blue. I got the glass one.
The blue you got?
I got the glassy one. I wanted the glassy one.
But you remember the blue was your first favorite color?
I'll just like that. Because, oh god. This is not. Oh, no. No, you forget. What the heck? These are pom-poms? Okay, where do I put this? I don't know where. So guys, I'm gonna clean you guys up. This is your moment you can drink water. Okay, this is your moment you can drink water. Because I'm gonna clean. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys are okay. You have to do this. So let me do a bubble. I don't know if I can do it with this. Maybe. I don't know. Oh god. Wait, I can. Wait, I can. I miss doing bubbles. Okay, she's speaking in her language. And her language is Romanian. If you're Romanian, shout out to Romania. You guys love you. Do your best. So all the people. So so shout out to Romania. Do your best. Do your best. Yeah, that's all I have to say.
Which color did you buy?
I got the blue one. God, me! Trap. Oh my god, guys. God, me, the clock. So I got the Just Coasting coconut waves. It smells like coconut wave. Oh yeah, it does. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, just like how Salish said. Listen to Salish. And don't forget to subscribe to Jordan Matters channel and Salish channel. God, this is gonna pop into my face. Can you say clock it?
Say what?
Clock it.
Clock it?
Yeah, say clock it.
Clock it.
Snap, clock it.
Snap.
No, you need to say clock it like that.
Clock it.
Go, girl, go. That's what I mean, like.
What does it mean?
Oh my god. She just doesn't get it. Okay, let's just do my bubble instead. And what is this? What is this? And oh, So, ooh, what is that? Cloud slime, glossy slime, clear slime. I have a clear slime. Wait, where's the box? I'm gonna put activator, slime activator. Wait, in TikTok, can we text? Mommy, in TikTok, can we text? In TikTok, can we text? I did not know that. Like, not in the comments. I know that you can text in the comments, but like real life. Yeah. Are you kidding? If you want a burger, get a burger. If you want a burger. Yep. Let's see if I can do. Oh God. Why is it not stretching anymore? God. That just breaks in a second. Guys, I have no idea what it's on, but God, me! God, you guys see me? I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Can I get Jordan, this one's for you, Team Salish. What did you want to say to Salish? What did you want to say?
Team Jordan.
She's Team Jordan, no, Team Salish. Oh God. Salish, if you're watching this, can you please hit that subscribe button if Salish this. Oh my God! He did it! I have nothing to do. So bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. The slime is not stretchy at all because I have to activate. So see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and to my channel and to Jordan's and Salish channel. Don't forget. Bye.